Pika Pika, you ready? Good morning, good morning. Da 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 da. Good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. Da 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 da. Good morning to you. Pika 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 Pika. Good morning, good morning. Da 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 da. Good morning to you. Pika 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 pika. Good morning, good morning. Da 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 da. Good morning to you. Pika 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 pika. Good morning, Pika. Oh, Pika. Good morning. Yay! 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 Oh, Stretch. Did you sleep good, Babas? Did you have a good night-night? Good morning. Oh, good morning, Scratches. Pika wants his good morning, Scratches. You want to say good morning to Sunny? Good morning, Sunny. Good morning, Sunny. Say good morning, Sunny. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Da 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 da. Good morning. Good morning to you. Pika 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 pika. Pikachu. 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 Yay! What are you doing? Are you grooming? Huh, Pika? Oh. Oh, good morning, Pika. Oh, good morning, baby. Oh, right there. Good morning, Pika Pika. Oh, good boy. See, now we showed the pretty bird flock how you come out of your nest in the morning, huh? Which is, see, we call it the nest or the house. We don't call it the cage because for Pika it's not a cage. Right, Pika Pika? It's not a cage. Oh, baby. Good morning, Pikachu. Good morning, Pika Pika. Good morning, Sunny. Oh. Oh, Pika. Oh, you're so silly. Saying this won't end for like the next 20 minutes. Pika's gonna want to have more and more scratch. Good morning, Sunny. Good morning, pretty girl. Sunny. Hi. Hi, Sunny. You're so pretty. Look at that. Those almond eyes that she has. She has got the most beautiful eyes. Hi, Sunny. Good morning. Yeah. Good morning, Sunny. Oh, you're such a beautiful girl. And Pika, you're such a good bird. Big stretch. And another stretch. Stretch that leg out. Nice stretch. And fluffy. More scratches. Oh, more scratches for Pika Pika. Good morning, Pika. Oh, such a good bird. Good bird. Pika, you a good bird? Hmm? Are you a good bird? Let me check this out. Look at that face. Oh, that's so nice. Look at the eyes closing. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's the spot. See, that's the stuff. That's it right there. Oh, Pika. Every morning, right, Pika? Say, this is our good morning routine. I'm going to show everybody our full routine. I know, Sunny. Good morning, baby. Oh, Pika, Pika. Shall we break our good morning routine a little bit? Show everybody what the progress is we made with Sunny? Huh? Shall we show everyone the progress we made with Sunny? Well, you're not done with your scratches? She's like, more scratches. Why did you stop? We're not done yet. This goes on for like 20 minutes, Mom. No stopping. And yes, my arm starts getting heavy after a while. Because Pika Pika wants scratches. And Mama can't help it. Because him's so cute. Right, Pika? You're so cute. How could you say no to this? Look at that. Look at this. How could you say no? Could y'all say no? Look at that. Watch. Look. Oh, the baby. Oh, so cute. How could you say no to a face like that? Huh? How could you say no to a face like that? What's your Pika? Oh, it's the Pikachu. It's a cuddle sound he makes. He does that sometimes. I make it at him at sometimes when we cuddle. Oh, Pika Pika. Alright, buddy. My arm's gonna fall off. All done, okay? All done scratches. Let's show the pretty bird flock. Oh, oh, look at the face. Quick, look at the face. Oh, gotta put that one in there. Look at that. I love that. Oh, Pika. Oh, Pika. Yes, I know, I know, I know. Oh, Pika. You're so cute. Must give scratches. Must give scratches. More scratches. More scratches. I'm not done yet. I want scratches. Y'all see this? This will go on forever if I don't stop. I mean, sometimes I just hold him. I just sit down and I hold him for like ever. And he just keeps going. Loves it so much. It's not like he has lack of attention. I mean, we all hold him throughout the day many, many, many times and offer him scratches and treats and love and all kinds of stuff. Training and everything. Oh, big yawn, my goodness. And another stretch. Oh my. Did you have a long night? Did you not go to bed when Mama closed the blanket? Hmm? Did you not go to bed when Mama closed the blanket? I swear they're like children. They try to find excuses to stay awake. All right, Pika, Pika. I know you want more scratches, but it's time for Mama to let you down. Come on, step up. Good boy. All right, now let me see if I can find... Oh, you know what that sound is. All right, we're breaking protocol. We're breaking the routine. Ooh, what's that? Oh, yeah, is that Num Nums? Pika, Pika, what's that? What's that? Nom nom. I gotta let Pika have some first, and y'all can already see she's getting curious. Y'all see that? She sees the treat. Now keep in mind, she doesn't like being picked up by us. Here you go, Johnny. So she wouldn't even accept treats from us a while back. So we are making progress. Oh, Pika, don't be jealous. Good girl. Hi, Johnny. Good girl. See, what you do is you kind of sneak your hand to be near them while you give them treats. So initially, my finger could be nowhere near her and to be all the way on the tip of the other end of the treat for her to even consider taking a bite from it. And she'd come over, she'd take a bite, and she'd run for her life. But now, I know Mama will refill your water too. I always do. But now she actually... You want more? Nom nom. Yay! Yay! Yeah! Yay! Yay! Y'all see how he stretches? Yay! Good boy! That's a good bird. What you doing? You want to give your treat kisses? Here you go, kisses. Oh, kisses. You're singing? Look at that heart shape. Great job! You want to do it? He's tapping my finger. So in the past, she would have ran away if I came towards her like this. Good girl, Shiny. Oh, kisses. Kisses? Mm-hmm. Can Mama have kisses? Mm. Can Mama have kisses? Mm. Thank you for kisses. Pika and Mama have kisses? Mm. Yay! Yay! And some more of your treat? Are you all done? Are you all done, Pika? Yay! Pika! Yay! 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 Y'all see how he stands up? Like he stretches up and then puts his head back down every time I say yay? Yay! 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 Pika! Yay! Yay! Pika, 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 pika. Pikachu, Pikachu. All right, baby. Mwah. You did good. Here. Mama will put the treat right there, okay? Hi, Pika. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Say bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.